On January 27th, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah visited actor Shivaraj Kumar's residence in Nagavara, Bengaluru to check on his health. Speaking to the media, the Chief Minister shared that he came to inquire about Shivaraj Kumar after his recent surgery. He recalled calling the actor the day after the surgery, and Shivaraj Kumar assured him that the surgery had been successful and that there were no complications. Siddaramaiah also mentioned that Shivaraj Kumar plans to resume shooting for his films starting next month.
ಅವ್ರು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಿದೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಭಾಳ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತಿಂದ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ನೌ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.